Just focus on this. So I'm going to make a wig now. As you can see, I've wrapped the doll head with some sellotape to make it bigger because my doll head is small. Yeah, they sell small doll heads in Nigeria. Don't know why. Anyway, I have put the cap on. This is a skull cap gotten from the UK for my friends, my friendship. So I put the skull cap on, and you can see it has these two lines, so I'm going to follow the lines for the closure, and I have put some pins to hold the cap down. So yeah, we begin. So now I'm going to place, you guys can see, place the closure like this, and then the extra lace will be here. So I'll make sure the hair lines with the end of the cap, and then the lace is like forward. So that's what I'm going to do now. You see. So I have just placed it after much ado. It's not nice, but I've placed the hair, and you can see that the edge of the where the lace starts from is where the cap ends. And when I come back from a class, I will finish. I will sew it and then sew the rest of the hair, and you guys will see. Okay? Yeah. See ya.